Hey everybody, Tommy here with Gavins Point Rec, bringing you a Cherokee 23 MKBL. On our black label Cherokees, we are going to have factory backup camera, fold down accessory tray. This one in particular is going to have an outdoor kitchen with an ice maker and a cube fridge. Let's go check out the inside. Stepping on into the 23 MKBL, we are going to have a rear living floor plan. Does come with the stow and go ottoman. We're going to have this oversized U-shaped dinette to convert into some additional sleeping space. As always, that electric fireplace. And then we're going to transition through the walk-through bathroom and into the master bedroom. And with our full line of Cherokee travel trailers, lots of storage in that master bedroom. Can't wait to see you down here at Gavins Point Rec under the big American flag on your way to the lake.